Friendship, one of the most beautiful relationships in the world. Friendship is like connecting two minds. But what connects these two minds is the bridge called good communication skills. Dear friends, in this video I'll tell you how to build good friendship, how to connect with people instantly, and how to have that impulsive liking. How people will like you impulsively. That is what I'm going to teach you in this video. In this video, of course, we are going to use good English, psychology, and good body language. How to use all these three things combined together, and how to be an effective communicator and build bridges and not walls. Stay with me. You will definitely like this video, and it will help you to build good relationships, good friends, and connect with people with different nature. Even people who are short-tempered also. Stick with me. So guys, well, friendship, to make friends, what we need, we think that friend should have the same qualities, his nature should be same, he should have that same level of thinking, same frequency of thinking, which I have. Not required. Friendship is about communication, and communication is about connection, and connection is about emotions. How you handle your emotions, your psychology. That is what I'm going to tell you in this video. Now, when you want to build friendship, you have to understand this. To make friends, you have to accept that person unconditionally and search for gold in that person. I'll explain you what I mean to say is, we have to accept that person unconditionally, and we have to find gold in that person. Well, I'll explain you with the next point, which is here. Let me explain you my concept with the mango metaphor. All of you just consider this mango. Now, imagine this mango has one end, or one side, one small region which is bit spoiled or dark. Now what do? Do we throw the entire mango? Absolutely not. What do is, we just cut that part, that slice we cut, and we consume the remaining mango. Am I right? Same thing with people also. Same thing with friends also. Your friends may be having some negative parts. Maybe he's having some, opinions different than you. There will be. It is going to happen, because though you are friends, you are two different people, and you will have different opinions. Maybe that person has some negativity. Can't we cut it like that mango, that negativity, put it aside and accept the good and remaining part? Definitely we can do that. So this is about accepting people unconditionally. Accepting as they are without trying to change them, without trying to change their nature, because people don't change. They are like that after many years of efforts, and now you are here to change them. They are not going to change. Let us move forward. I'll explain you the next point. Praise the good side. Now, what happens is, you understand that people are not hungry for food, but they are more hungry for love and appreciation. And we don't realize that. We don't realize, we never feel like that hunger for appreciation is there in everyone, and we never pay attention towards that. And that creates a big hurdle in friendship. So you can do that by using one technique which I used. It's called as a stroking technique. I will explain you with my experience how I did that, how I connected with the person. As you know, I'm a PhD in mechanical engineering, and I was doing my PhD, and in the PhD you have to do a lot of fabrication work. My project was in cryogenics. So I went to my college workshop, and there was one guy there who was not into good books of all the students. He was considered as somewhat what we can say, rude, or somewhat short-tempered. He wasn't cooperating with students. So I went to him, and I knew his reputation. And when I asked him for help, Of course, he gave a rude reply. He was not in the mood of helping me. I used this technique and I said to him, let us go forward. I used the technique called stroking. Stroking is what? Stroking is finding something positive in that person, like finding the gold, and telling him about that quality which you like in that person. You have to appreciate that person for his quality. Usually, we only focus on negativity of that person. We never see the positivity. And I was observing this person. This person was really busy. He was constantly been crowded by students. He was pissed off there. There was a pressure from all the sides, and he was losing his temper. Plus, this criticism was there. So I stroked him, saying this. What I said to him is, sir, I really admire the way you look after the workshop. You look after the workshop. Very well organized and properly maintained it is. Very well organized and properly maintained workshop it is. It is quite a task to handle so many students with so much of expectations. And when I said this guy melted like butter. Whoa. He was touched. He looked at me. In fact, he was flabbergasted. He was shocked. We became best friends. And he always helped me in whatever I wanted. And when I finished my PhD, I went and thanked him for his support. And that was only possible when I accepted that person as he was, and I appreciated that part which was good in him. I was not there to criticize him or to find faults. I did not went and complain about him to seniors. I did not do that. This is the stroking technique. This technique will help you to connect with people, get new friends, and build relationships with even those people who usually not at the same page which you are. But if you try this, it will definitely work. Try at your home, try in office, and see what happens. It really works. While using this technique, you can use some better words also. I thought of adding these words in your vocabulary list. You can use the words like captivating. Usually we use common words like I'm very impressed. Instead of that, you can use the word like captivating. I was really captivated with the way you dealt with that situation. You can use this word. You can use bewitch. Bewitched means you are pleasantly shocked actually. You can say that I was bewitched with your performance. It was really awesome. Or you can use charmed. You can say like, when I saw you, it was like, it's so charming. I was charmed when I saw you, the personality which you have. You can use the word flabbergasted, which I just now used while speaking to you. So these are some better words which you can use, but I'm going to give you one task. In the comments, write more words which we can use to praise someone. Write in the comments. Let's learn, let's build the vocabulary. But one more thing. This is a word of caution. No flattering, please. When I say appreciation, when I say stroking, this does not mean that you should go and just go and fake it. No flattering. People can figure it out. People can read it. I really found out something positive in that person, and I told him honestly, and it was genuine appreciation. So, no flattering, be honest, be clear, be genuine. This will work. Oh friends, these 5 videos I made. Communications skills of great communicators. You may feel like great communicators, I mean to give a great public talk and all. Well, that's there. But first of all, you have to connect with people around you. That is good communication. At the beginning, what I said. Communication is a bridge that connects 2 minds. But to build that bridge, to build communication, you have to work on that. You have to work on your mindset, your psychology, and you have to work on your vocabulary, your English. Only then you will be able to connect that bridge and have better relationships with people around you. Hope you liked this video series. Of course, I will keep on adding more videos. I will keep on adding more value in you. That is what I love to do. That is my passion. I have said this sentence many times before ending this video. I'll say this sentence again. There are 2 days which are important in life. First, when you are born, and second, when you come to know why you are born. And the second day why I came to know why I am born was that day when I decided to start this institute in the year 2002. I love my work. I love making videos. And I love reading those comments. Some are negative, no problem, I will learn. I'll keep on getting better. And mostly all of you say they are good. I will keep on getting better. Namaste to you. Goodbye.